Hi everybody, this is Minivan Travels with Mel and Alex. Just want to do a little bit different type of video today. Thought y'all might get a kick out of him. He's a cockatoo. I actually met him at the fan build. His name is Skipper. If anybody doesn't know, this is Greg's motorhome. His bird. So here he is. Hey Joe. Hi Skipper, you remember me? Yeah. He loves attention, don't you? Skipper. 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 Whoa. Skipper. 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 Skipper, 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 skipper. Normally he's more talkative. He loves saying his name, but right now I guess he ain't in the mood to talk. Skipper. Oh, got your attention. Skipper. 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 Put his little collar. Skipper. Skipper. Oh. Skipper. 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 You're a silly bird. Silly bird. Hello, Skipper. Please like and subscribe and share. Please leave a comment if feel free. And this is Skipper. Bye.